Welcome to A View to a Grill. I'm Johnny. Today I'm going to tell you why I think Z-Grills has a pellet grill for everyone. First, let's talk about the Z-Grills Cruiser 200A. The 200A is a small portable pellet grill. It comes in at about $329 at the time of this video. Now you can travel with the 200A, or the 200A can literally sit on any tabletop you have outside. The Cruiser 200A has a simple one dial temperature selection. It also has an automated auger system and a unique fire pot that produces a clean, hot burn. And here's an example that I posted on my Instagram account. Take a look at these 4 chicken breasts. I smoked these at 350 degrees, and when I was done, I had some beautifully colored chicken breasts. Not only were they beautifully colored, but they were all cooked at the same rate, and the color of them, as you can see here, is all even. The Cruiser 200A has an 8-pound hopper capacity, a locking chamber, and 2 handles so that it is easily carried around. The 200A has a single pro port and has a steel construction for a durable design. One of the things that I like most about the Cruiser 200A is the porcelain non-stick grates. These grates fit easily in your dishwasher. And next on my list from Z-Grills is the Backyard Warrior 702CE. At the time of this video, the Backyard Warrior comes in at about $549. This particular one is black with a stainless steel door and other stainless steel accents. The 702CE has a large 24-pound hopper, and the Backyard Warrior also comes with 2 pro ports and an easy single dial temperature selector. Now if you want to know the ambient temperature of whatever protein you're cooking, all you have to do is get that probe right into the center, and the temperature is displayed right on the digital display unit. In this shot here, you can see the 2-tier rack system, and notice there is plenty of room for that pork butt to fit under the top rack. Now, what I like most about the pellet grill is the fact that you don't have to stick around and babysit your protein. For instance, I took off golfing, and while I was golfing, it was a comfortable feeling to know that when I got back, I would come home to some delicious pork butt that I never checked on once. Now, I've had the Backyard Warrior 702CE the longest, and I've cooked lots of things on there. Here, I cooked some fish in cast iron, and I also used the 702CE to make the sauce. I mean, take a look at this plate of fish. Looks delicious, and look at the doneness. The Z-Grills really cook these fish to perfection. Now, if you're looking to render your bacon perfectly, pellet grill is the way to go. Check out these jalapeno poppers that I made a while back. Now, as you can see in this shot, the bacon was rendered perfectly. Now let's check out Z-Grill's entry into the premium pellet grill market, and that will be the Z-Grill's Multitasker 705 2B with Wi-Fi. The 705 2B with Wi-Fi, but considering all of the options that it comes with, it really is priced right and less than most other grills that give you the same features. The grill is kind of an eggshell black with stainless steel accents. First thing that I was most impressed with was the double wall insulation. The double wall construction is on the lid and the cooking chamber. Now take a look at the ambient temperature. It's 278 degrees. And now I'll just put my hand on the lid. It's warm, but it's not so hot that my hand immediately comes off. I would never try to do that on the 702CE. At that temperature, you would burn your hand. The Z-Grill's Multitasker has a lot of vertical cooking space. That's why I have enough room to cook this 14-pound brisket on the top shelf. I'm doing fat cap up on the top shelf to get it away from that radiant heat that's coming out from the bottom. This allows the convection in the pellet grill to really go to work. Since it's up high, I can spritz the bottom of the brisket. The Multitasker also comes with 2 built-in thermometer probes. Once you have your thermometer plugged into your protein, you can then see your temperature reading on the display. The Multitasker also has a Wi-Fi connection and an app for your phone. And it's really just a mirror image of what you see on the display with a sliding temperature controller that gives you 5-degree increments. Now, this is my absolute most favorite thing about the Multitasker, and that is the keep warm function. When I was cooking this brisket, I already had it wrapped and it was done. So all I had to do was keep it warm. When this brisket was done at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I had to go to a school event, and all I did was leave the brisket in, hit the keep warm button. It dropped the temperature all the way to 165 degrees until I got back home at about 10 o'clock that night. So it sat there in the Z-Grills for almost 6 hours under the keep warm function, and the brisket came out fantastic. That is literally one of those features that you didn't know you needed until you had it. Some other features that I like would be the front attached table and the grease catch that slides under the cooking chamber, giving you a nice modern look and design. Now, I hope you enjoyed this quick video about why I think Z-Grills has a pellet grill for everyone. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and take a minute, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching a view to a grill. I'll see you guys next time. Take care, y'all.